going on, guys? So I haven't been at the shop in about a week, so we're gonna see what all new has happened since then. Hello, Brandy. What the well, it appears we have a giant hole in the wall. Looks like the boys are finishing up this expansion here. Brandy, we got any critters in here that have been just kind of scuttering through? No? Look at that, guys. No critters. That's good news for us. Let's see what's happening in the back here. Say hey to the people, Tim.
How you doing?
Yeah, good. I see y'all cut a giant hole in the wall.
Oh yeah.
When are we actually fixing that?
Good question. That's a question for Zach.
Okay.
Working on a shelf for a customer.
Okay.
And then we got our bases for our John Deere that we're going to be working on today. We're going to be book matching all this stuff later on today.
Okay, yeah, I was going to say, how is the John Deere table going?
Looking good. Take a look over there.
Look at that green. I see you guys, experimenting on what color green to go with?
We were experimenting with it. Then he was thinking about putting some yellow into it like that, but we decided just to stay with the green.
Yeah.
Much better choice. We're working on figuring this out.
Okay.
We got some of our little trinkets that we're gonna put in there, some corn and stuff the other day, so.
Oh, nice. Well, this is gonna be exciting.
Oh yeah, it'll be different.
Let's take a look at what we got going on outside with Josh. Building a truss again?
We are building a truss.
All right, we got a video going right there, so that way you guys can see a little bit more behind the scenes, and we'll walk you through on how Josh here does it.
A few moments later.
So what we're doing is making the legs for the John Deere table. We have 4 of these pieces, just trying to decide the best look for each leg. This is actually one whole table leg. It's going to be roughly 5 foot by 30 inches tall. We're just trying to get, really what looks the best. We have a couple more pieces somewhere, but I feel like we got a nice veining going on with the epoxy and everything.
So how is this going to work? So what do we...
So what we're going to do is we're going to straight line this cut right here on both of these pieces and then glue these together with dominoes so that we can make it 5 feet long. And we're going to have 3 sets of these down the whole table.
Down the whole table?
Right.
Okay.
So then he's already got one cut. So what we'll have is another one, let's say 9 foot roughly down the line here. There'll be a 2x connecting them as a skirt for the table. It's going to set on. The table will rest on them.
Which our skirts are over there.
Right. So yeah, that's all we're really doing right now is just deciding where to cut these and which ones to put together. I think that looks pretty sharp. All the grain kind of flows with each other.
These 2 are the other 2 that we're ready to cut down. What's end up happening is we take this cut side and we're taking this cut side. We're gonna spin it around and join them together.
Okay.
So there'll be one full piece. That's the plan.
Man, there's a lot of concepts going on with this one table that I cannot wait to see what it all looks like when it's done.
It's all coming together real well.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Sorry, I'm just seeing what this table's gonna look like after we put the skirt on with the table leg height that we have. Everything that's gonna be comfortable to sit at. So I got one of our office chairs. This is all the way up. And I'm really tall, so
That's all the way up?
Yeah. And I got like 25, and that would be like rubbing my knees on, whatever. And we have we're taller than that out there. Let's put it that way. I don't know how many tall guys work at John Deere. But
It's either they tall or they're short. Those are your 2 options. There's not any real in between here.
For everybody though.
Then they're going to
Flip this way.
So the legs are what, about the height of my legs?
About 30 and a quarter right now.
Yeah, they're 30.
And then with the table being 2.5.
Put you right at 32. Right?
So putting right at 32.
To the top of it.
To the top of it. Okay. And then these are the skirts around it.
This thing is gonna be like this.
Oh my gosh.
Get it up right. Well, we're gonna not have it this high in the air, but it's gonna basically get mounted in here like this.
Like that.
And it's gonna connect this leg to that leg to the next
Next
one.
leg to the next leg.
And then in between there'll be like
Little
ladders
ladders.
built in there
Okay.
to hold all the table stuff.
Okay, so we got the bases all made and glued up.
So when are we supposed
So-
to be having this done? And
I'm supposed to be delivering first week of October. So
Oh.
I'm supposed to wrap this up next week. But the biggest thing is I have to get started on that.